I think you guys should get back to it.
That's where you find all your exes.
Oh my god, do not put that in. Hey guys, it's Madi Monroe.
I'm Kio Cyr.
And today we are going to be making some food and we're going to be spilling some tea.
Yeah, she's making pizza and I'm making buttered pasta. You put so much tomato sauce. Holy.
Yeah, you're not joking.
It's spaghetti. Show the camera the onion.
Okay, you know what? I tried my very hardest.
Okay, I'm making buttered pasta because it's really easy to make. Probably takes about max 10 minutes. It's really hard to mess up boiling pasta.
You know you can burn water.
You speaking from experience, or?
I have like PTSD from like noodles.
I mean, you burnt your hair, so I mean.
I also got 3rd-degree burns on my stomach from making pasta and then pouring it like this, and they all help. Anyway, besides this point, I am making a pizza with pepperoni and olives because that's what Kio likes for some reason, and I'm putting onions on mine. I wish I had Italian sausage, but I don't. And yeah, I do it because I really like pizza.
I'm gonna help her make the pizza because mine's gonna take max 10 minutes and hers is gonna take a minute, so...
One whole minute.
one really long minute.
Okay guys, so let's get into the tea while I'm making this
Look
pizza.
at the dough.
Question number 1. Who makes the best playlists?
Definitely me, because I make so
I
many
don't make playlists.
I make playlists every other day of the week, so definitely me.
I literally don't. I just like don't have time to make a playlist. I feel like it's stupid because I can just like search up a song.
Why is it like sliding?
I don't know. You did not turn the. Kio didn't turn the boiling water on. Do you make playlists on Spotify?
Yeah, I make so many playlists. I have like...
See, I don't use Spotify.
Okay, Apple Music.
I don't use Apple
Degenerate.
Music either.
What do you... Huh?
I use SoundCloud. I only use SoundCloud because that's where I only...
That's where you find your boyfriends. That's where you find all your exes.
SoundCloud rappers. No, what? Oh my god. No, it's because I listen to unreleased music. Because I like to feel like I'm special. And it's like a flex. Okay. Who's the better dancer? Me.
Yeah, I don't dance. She took cheer.
I literally did like dance and cheer when I was like 5, and then I like did it like my whole life. And it was pretty lit.
Show us a routine, Maddie.
Oh my god, should I...
No, please don't. Please
I'm
don't.
joking. I don't think I'm doing this right.
We can live without it.
I really don't think I'm doing this right.
Did you need it?
I don't know what that means.
Like press it, you know? That's not it.
Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite TikTok you've ever made?
Good question. I don't know. I kinda hate all my TikToks. Oh my god.
I have some really good ones.
I think the favorite one of hers actually is when she burned her hair.
Okay.
I see. I like
It's
the
funny.
video.
People think that I like did that on purpose, and I'm like, if you knew me, you would know that I am like really like kind of not all there.
What was it missing?
Yeah, nothing even really happened.
Oh,
I know, but
lies.
it's
I see where it got burned. I see where it got burned.
My favorite TikTok I've ever done is the Savage Dance with Charlie, where we're like on a staircase and we sing behind because Megan Thee Stallion posted on my
Oh, yeah, my
Instagram.
favorite was Charlie too, yeah. Dude, I haven't seen Charlie in months.
I know. I saw her like 2 days ago.
Man, you're so cool because you're friends with him.
It's my biggest flex. I'm actually Charlie's biggest fan. Is this good?
Sure.
Yay!
Very nice circle. Who's your TikTok crush?
I can name yours.
Let me go down the list real quick.
God, Kio?
You can? Who?
Olivia.
You're funny. You're
What?
so funny.
I have a crush on Olivia. I love Olivia. I think you guys should get back to it.
Next question.
I didn't answer! This fool named Jack Ryan. I've actually liked Jack for like 4 years. Like I used to make videos like on TikTok, like trying to get him to notice me. Because we're from the same hometown.
Hey, Chris. Sorry.
Oh my god, do not put that in. Oh my god. For real, I actually like crushed on Jack for 4 years. I literally used to make TikToks. What was the best thing you did during lockdown?
Sway.
Oh my god, facts.
That's how long lockdown has been. When Sway first started and it ended. That's how long we've been on lockdown.
Whoa, that's
Yeah.
actually a long time.
You put so much tomato sauce. Holy.
Yeah, you're not supposed to.
I mean, it's better be a juicy bite.
The best thing I did during lockdown was definitely get geckos. I have a bunch of geckos.
I got a gecko and he died.
What kind of gecko did you get?
I got a leopard gecko and he was sick when I got him, and I tried to feed him and he wouldn't eat. He wouldn't drink water. He just died.
That's what happened with my leopard gecko, and I had him for 3 years, and he just recently died. So I have 3 now. They're crested geckos, but one of the tails fell off because he got stuck. They're like little babies. They're like they're watching like children. Oh, it's boiling! It's Kio's turn to shine.
What's your favorite behind-the-scenes moment on Attaway General? Maddie trying to get over herself. What are the kissing scenes? 15.
Wow, when we had to kiss, I literally was like, ah! No, definitely the kissing scene. That was really funny.
It's like I'm like ready to go, ready to get it over with and done, and she's like, and I'm like,
yeah, it was definitely very like. I was just laughing because I just laugh. Like that's my coping mechanism with everything is laughing. That was my favorite moment too.
Or when we had to figure out where to spray paint.
Oh my god, that was so hard.
So like when we spray painted that one tiny little heart, that was like a whole 30-minute like discussion with the crew.
No, it was so hard for literally no reason. I was so confused. I was like, where do I spray paint this? And I only had 1 shot to make the heart good.
Did you mess up the first try though? You messed it up the first try. They had to like scrub it off and stuff. And
no, that was a trial. Okay, I'm putting shredded mozzarella cheese on my pizza.
What were your first impressions of each other?
I was like, oh god. He was like 40 girlfriends. Is this too much cheese?
No, there's never too much cheese. My first impression of Maddie is she's tall. I don't know.
Yeah, it's mostly everyone's impression. They're like, dang, this girl is tall. Okay, who would be the better doctor in real life?
That's supposed to be UCLA.
Yeah, like my hands like shake. I'd be like. Also, like.
Yeah, so me. Anyways,
I don't know. Armina
and Jamie Endgame.
No.
No.
Definitely not.
Wait, did they end up together? Like, we don't know our own like show, bro.
Well, you have to watch and find out if we are endgame. Do you have a tattoo? Oh, behind your ear? I thought you had a tattoo behind your ear.
I got fake tattoo, remember?
What is something you'll never regret?
Something I'll never regret?
Yeah.
Moving in this way. Starting sway, but yeah.
Good job, Kio. Mine's like all of my exes. Like I feel like no, you can't regret any of them.
I don't know why that's
No, because it's always a learning lesson. I'm being for real. Like,
yeah, very big learning lesson.
You can't. I feel like I live with no regret. So.
They're either the love of your life or a big life lesson.
Period. Oh, I put a pepperoni on, by the way. Now I gotta cut the onion. How do I cut an onion? What is your dream date?
Movies. I literally love going to the movies.
Okay,
or driving,
I think movies are so like unpersonal because like you don't talk the whole time.
That's what you gotta do with driving.
God, I can't sit through a movie. I can't even sit through a 15-minute episode of Adventure Time.
Then don't sit through a movie. Do other stuff while I'm playing.
Mine's like going like paintballing or like go-karting or like maybe like going like to Six Flags.
Yeah, good luck finding a girl like you that actually enjoys doing this kind of stuff. I've tried, believe me.
Kio has a crush on me. I'm joking. That was a literal joke.
Chill.
No, but actually, no. I hate movies. I hate like picnics. Like, I hate because like I just feel like it's so dumb. Like I get bored so easily.
The best date I've been on was with a soccer girl. We both went to a soccer field and just played soccer.
Oh, that's actually cute.
Yeah, we both played soccer.
Or like ice skating. Like I figure skated. My
Where
whole
are
life.
the ice rinks in LA, please?
I actually was looking it up. There are no ice rinks open.
Right?
And I have my figure skates ready to go.
I went to New York for tour one time. And they have a really cute ice skating rink.
What, Rockefeller Center?
No, it wasn't even that one. It was another one. They were still really cute.
Yeah, like Arizona, like where I'm from.
Dude, when I went to Houston, Texas, they had their
the mall?
Yeah.
I know, I'm
they
skating
have
there. I'm literally skating there. Yeah, that's fun. Anyway,
Texas.
what do you look for in a romantic partner?
See, everyone's like, what's your type? Or like,
Kio's
what
type is like
personality?
everything.
Yeah, like I don't have a specific type. It's like if I feel of like the vibe, it's like the vibe, you know?
And so like the vibes, you've just not been feeling the vibes recently.
The vibes are off.
The vibes are off. Mine's like really like, I like really like skinny
SoundCloud
boys.
rappers. SoundCloud rappers. SoundCloud rappers.
I like really skinny boys, and I like when they're like And then like kind of like edgy, I guess. And like have like different
So
colored hair.
Machine Gun Kelly, that type of guy.
Oh my god, Machine Gun Kelly? Okay, you just like read my mind. Machine Gun Kelly is like the hottest person.
Yeah, Machine Gun Kelly sets the standard for her. That's her
He's so
her type.
hot. But I don't even like blondes like that. Like I like multicolored.
Oh, I know, but it's just
But like
that type of
Machine Gun
boy,
Kelly?
that type of guy.
Bro, Youngblood. Or like Dylan O'Brien. I don't think I'm doing this right. Wait, oh my god, you don't put onions on pizza like this, you shed them.
Please show
This
the
is
camera.
my-
the onion. Show the camera. the onion.
Okay, what I look for in a romantic partner is very simple.
If it clicks, it clicks.
You just have to be funny. Like I get bored so easily. Okay, anyway, I think I just completely destroyed this onion, so I think oh my god, my eyes are watering. I didn't know that was a true rumor.
What's your advice for staying friends with an ex? Don't. Just don't.
I say be mature. Okay, you have to make the decision for yourself if you really want them in your life or not. And if you do, just be mature about it.
Think about it. If you're okay with being their friend, like if you can see them with someone else, you can be friends. But if not, then it's better not to be friends. Just know what you think will work or not.
So the onions didn't work out. I'm not putting olives on either because I don't like olives. How do you handle heartbreak? I'm an Aquarius. What's your sign?
Virgo.
Kio's the absolute worst sign on the planet. That's like my least favorite sign, but it's okay because you're a guy. I hate Virgo even. Sorry, I don't hate. That's a very. Every experience I've had with a Virgo has not been good. Okay, how do you deal with heartbreak? Well, the thing that I do is I don't really get sad about anything.
Look up your exes. I'm kidding. I haven't. No, I'm kidding.
The thing about me is that I don't really get sad. I just see it as one else and then I move on. Oh, my ex in like 8th grade, his name was Cosmo, and he literally broke my heart. We were dating for so long, and out of nowhere, he was just like, "Oh,
I'm not
I
feeling
think
it,
we should
baby
break
girl.
up." And I was like,
Baby girl, I'm not feeling no more.
I was like, oh, yeah. So Cosmo, if you're watching this, you broke my heart. He's actually so nice. We were in like a healthier 8th grade relationship. Like it was healthy. I put my pizza in the oven. Okay, wait. What show are you binge watching right now? Oh, what show are you binging right now, and why do you love it?
What show am I binge watching right now?
Yeah, what show are you binge watching and why do you love it?
Supernatural.
You wish that was you, huh? You wish you were Supernatural.
Literally, like, bro, my life would be so much better if I just drove around the country fighting off monsters. Like,
Mine's Tokyo Ghoul.
yeah, you've been posting, like, tweeting
No,
about
I
it.
literally, like, I've never felt like an emotional connection with like any anime character, but like Kaneki, for some reason, I just look at him and I'm like,
Brandon,
he's very attractive. So Tokyo Ghoul, or
you should watch.
I like reality TV, like stupid, dumb reality TV, just because it makes me laugh.
You should watch Attack on Titan.
That's what I'm gonna watch that next. Kio's putting his spaghetti. Kio's putting his spaghetti in a bowl.
The spaghetti. I missed. One spaghetti noodle missed.
I think my pizza's supposed to be in the oven for like 10 minutes. Wait, you do it because I put a ton of salt.
I like a lot of salt.
Look at this little fork I'm blessing you.
This is a weird fork.
Okay, my pizza is cooking, so we're gonna come back to you when my pizza's done. Okay, guys, we're done. I'm sprinkling salt on my pizza because I like salt on everything. Okay, you know what? I tried my very hardest. This is my pizza. Pizza vibes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know in the comments down below if you tried these recipes that have like 3 ingredients and like pre-made dough. For more videos like this, subscribe to 17's YouTube channel. You can follow me at Madi Monroe on those platforms, or it's like Maddie on like TikTok or something like that.
Just look up KIO.
K-O!
What else? Who else is in Kio, let's be honest?
Me.
Anywho, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Oh my god, I just burned myself. Okay, bye. Oh.